Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if BMO offers a high-yield savings account. When looking to grow your cash safely, choosing the right financial institution matters, and many savers wonder if BMO provides competitive options for high-yield savings. The short answer is yes, BMO does offer high-yield savings products, but how you access them depends entirely on whether you are banking in the United States or Canada, as their platform offerings differ by region. In the United States, BMO offers its high-yield savings option through its digital banking division, BMO Alto. The BMO Alto online savings account functions as an online-only, high-yield product designed to maximize your returns without cutting into your profits with traditional banking overhead. One of the most attractive features of the BMO Alto savings account is that it carries zero monthly maintenance fees and requires a zero minimum opening deposit. Furthermore, it features no minimum balance requirements, allowing everyday savers to start earning interest right away. Because it is an online-only account managed digitally, BMO is able to pass higher yields back to the consumer compared to what you would typically find with a standard brick-and-mortar traditional savings account. Interest on the BMO Alto account compounds daily and is credited to your balance monthly, giving your money consistent momentum over time. Additionally, deposits held in BMO Alto are fully insured up to applicable legal limits, providing safety and security for your principal balance. If you are banking with BMO in Canada, the equivalent high-interest product is known as the BMO Savings Amplify account. This account is structured to help Canadian clients grow their money while maintaining full accessibility through self-serve digital channels. The Savings Amplifier account typically features no monthly plan fee and gives you unlimited self-serve transfers between your other BMO accounts. To make these accounts even more competitive, BMO frequently rolls out promotional interest rate offers for new clients who open a Savings Amplifier account alongside an eligible primary checking plan. These promotional yields apply to qualifying balances for a set introductory period before transitioning to the standard posted rate. This makes it a popular tool for Canadians looking to capture a higher return on short to medium-term cash allocations without locking their funds into a fixed-term certificate of deposit. It is important to contrast these high-yield options with BMO's traditional brick-and-mortar savings products, such as their standard or basic savings accounts. Traditional savings accounts accessed directly at a local physical branch often carry baseline interest rates that are significantly lower, sometimes staying near 0%. Therefore, if your primary goal is maximizing yield, you must specifically direct your attention toward BMO Alto if you are in the US, or the Savings Amplify account utilizing digital banking if you are in Canada. When setting up either account, take a moment to review the current promotional terms, fine print regarding balance tiers, and any associated qualification criteria such as linked checking accounts. By utilizing BMO's digital-first savings vehicles, you can successfully capture high-yield returns while keeping your emergency fund or short-term savings completely liquid, secure, and accessible. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.